Welcome to Smith's Lane Estate, where we are showcasing Carlisle Homes' most stunning designs. So come in and see why Carlisle Homes are a cut above the rest. No other Melbourne builder offers a wider selection. From their luxury Affinity collection and Inspire collection of ultimate family homes to the budget-friendly Easy Living series, Carlisle provides unmatched variety to ensure you find the perfect design for your block, family size and budget. The Cottesloe Grand Deluxe 42 is the newest addition to the Cottesloe series and is part of the Inspire collection. And this is perfect for those who have a compact block but do not want to compromise on space or luxury. The Floorplan's efficient use of space, including a clever garage build-over, allows for 3 bright and airy living spaces. There's a wide and airy entry, a stunning oversized kitchen with a butler's pantry, and all 4 extra-large bedrooms have their own ensuite. The 4 oversized bedrooms each have their own walk-in robe and ensuite, offering a private retreat for every family member. Outside, the grand view Hebel facade and the striking balcony and stunning decorative mouldings really give this home a classically elegant look. The Cottesloe Grand Deluxe 42 proves that even on a compact block, you really can have it all.